Hello to all. Today we'll be covering another question we received on our website. It's from Tom McManus, and it's regarding nonprofits and how to handle contributions. If you want, you can go ahead and read the question. Just put this screen on pause. I'm going to go ahead and move over to Quickbooks and basically start setting up the contributions and how to handle this. So I'm in QuickBooks 2013, jumped right into chart of accounts, go all the way down to account, hit new account. For the money coming in, for all the donors who are donating money, we will record that as an income. However, there's a lot of different ways you could do it. All depends how detailed you want to be or how simple you want to keep it. I'm going to give you a couple little steps over here. So the first one I'm going to call contributions and just leave it as is. Hit save and new. Next one I'm going to do contributions 2012, sub account of contributions. Hit save and new. And I could do contributions 2013. Of course, I could break it down in months. I could break it down in a lot of different ways. The whole point is it's all on you. How simple or how detailed you want to go. And I'm going to hit save and close. As you can see in the chart of accounts, we have our contributions over here as well. So let's start off with the income. And once we're done with the income, we'll come back to the chart of accounts and we will take a look at the expense side of it. And we jumped over to Customer Center. And what I want to tell you about this, it's pretty much the same as far as how simple or how detailed you want it to be. For every donor, you can simply just go ahead and add a new customer and just do it straight like that and just have customers as donors. Or if you want to break it down and have a little bit more detail, there's a couple of ways to do it. One way to do it is you could have your customer account, your customer name, and for every donation that they give, you could have what's called a job, which is like a subcategory in a sense. You could do that. Or you could do it this way. I made a customer called Contributions 2012, and then I went to add a job, and the job name, once again, this could be all the donors. So this could be donor number 4. And you would fill out all the details, of course. I hit OK. And now you can see there's donor number 4 as a job under Contributions 2012. So you could either make this a customer name and you would put Contributions 2012, 2013, however you want to categorize it. Or you could do it the way I'm showing you here. I don't know why, but I kind of like this way better. But it all depends on the format, you know, and how many times do you guys expect, you know, amounts from each donor, or how often do you guys do it? There's a lot of things. There's no cookie cutter way. I know you were looking for there's no wrong way. You know, it all depends on how you want the reporting to come. But I have shown you a few ways over here. I would either just do it as a customer or customer jobs. I would not try to classify it. I mean, you can, but this is simple enough to where you could still detail it and have all the information you want. Because right from over here, you can go into reporting. So, you know, what more do you need than that? And so let's say we've decided to stick with this over here. Let's do a quick transaction. I'll do a sales receipt because we received the money. And I'm going to say that this was from donor number 4. And the rest is the same. All it comes down to over here is picking the right account. Well, we never set one up over here, so we did set it up in the chart of accounts, but we have to set up an item for this. So we just do add new. This would be other, I guess. Item name, you can call it Contributions 2012. And this is the main part over here, is that you got to tie it to the P&L over here, to the income P&L. That's the main part. You hit OK. There you go. You got $1,000 donation. There is no tax, so we'll just ignore that right here. You know, and the rest is the basic. The idea is I wanted to show you how to get this over here and how to set that up, and that's really the main idea. I'm gonna hit save and close, and now we've basically completed the ways of how to accept the money. Now we're gonna look into how awarding the money. And we are back at the chart of accounts. We're gonna look at how we're gonna set up awarding the money. The first thing we're gonna do is account, hit new accounts. This is going to be an expense because now we are having the money leave the company. Hit continue. Same thing, how detailed, how simple. So we will do contribution awards. I'm going to hit save and new. And then I will do awards, college funds. Add a new. Oh, I messed up. I forgot to make it a sub account, right? So what do? We hit cancel. I'm going to look for the awards college funds. Double click on it. I guess not. Right click on it. Edit. And I can update it right over here. Save and close. Back to account. Back to new. Still want to add another one as an example. I'm going to call the next one awards library books. Sub account. Contributions. Save and close. If we go to the P&L, contribution awards, awards college funds, awards library books. So this is how you would handle the P&L. And now we're going to go and take care of cutting checks for the people who are getting these awards. So we are at write checks. That's right. I'm not going to enter a bill and pay a bill unless you want to. I'm just going to go straight to the idea once again that this is going to be, you know, the person one, doesn't really matter. This is the person who receives the award. It's going to be for $1,000, whatever it is. The main idea, once again, it's over here. It's to look for that expense. Is this person getting the college funds, the library books, or the entity? So this is going to be for college funds. And that's pretty much it. You know, check number, all that stuff. That's all, whatever you want to do. The idea is that I'm showing you how to set it up in chart of accounts, as well as how to receive it and how to pay it. That's pretty much it. I hope this answers your questions. If you have any more questions, let us know.